Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video today, I'm going to show you how to quickly and easily make your own little Funko Pop style image here. So this one's done with generative AI and you can customize it however you like to make it exactly like you. So all you need to do is to go over to your internet browser and go to Microsoft Image Designer. You can use it manually and go there and generate something however you want. But I've got a link specifically here just to give you a base template to make an image just like this Funko Pop here. So I'll leave that linked in the description. You can just click on the link, go straight to the page, and it will open a nice little window like this, which gives you all customizable options. So just go to one of the check boxes. So if you want a woman, you can go female, and then update each of the other ones to change the character style, and you'll get a nice Funko Pop style image. So we'll just click generate. It'll take a little bit of time to generate, and it'll give you 4 images, which you can choose the best one from. There is one little issue though. Sometimes the text doesn't come out quite as well as it should, so you may have to regenerate a couple of times to get the exact name on the box that you want. Okay, so that's our image there. I probably should have got rid of the beard. I didn't think about it. So that's what they'll look like. You can pick one, increase the size, and then you'll get 4 options down the bottom here. You can pick whichever one you want. You can download all 4 if you want. Then you can click download to download a full resolution copy, just like the one I've got here. And you can also copy this, and that will give you the prompt that it was using. However, there is one more thing you might want to know. So if we go back to our original prompt, so let me copy and paste. Okay, so this is the original one I used. If you want to customize this and give it to somebody else, just click share. It'll give you a little bit of a topic here on how to do it. Then click continue. Now all you need to go through here and just change anything in the brackets. So if you want to change it to female, change download source to whatever name you want. You can change anything in there. However, it's best to keep just the stuff in the brackets changing so you keep the actual style of the Funko Pop. All you need to do now is click next, then copy the link, and you're done. Simple as that. Anyway, that wraps up this guide. I hope you found it useful, and I hope you can generate some Funko Pops in whatever style you like. And as always, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in another video. Cheers, everyone.